The Garmin Forerunner 975 is coming. And if the leaks are true, this could be the most powerful running watch Garmin has ever made. With rumors of next-level GPS accuracy, longer battery life, and brand new health tracking features, this could be the ultimate upgrade for runners and triathletes. But what exactly can we expect? How much will it cost? And most importantly, when will it launch? In this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far, from leaked specs to possible release dates. So stick around, because if you're a Garmin fan, you won't want to miss this. Fresh leaks suggest that Garmin may be on the verge of launching a new addition to its Forerunner series, possibly the highly anticipated Forerunner 975. Over the weekend, the 5K runner, a well-regarded source for tech and fitness news, spotted a new Garmin filing with the Federal Communications Commission. While the filing doesn't confirm specifics, it strongly hints that a new wearable is in the pipeline. Before any electronic device can be released in the US, manufacturers must obtain FCC approval, ensuring compliance with regulatory and safety standards. Historically, these filings have served as reliable indicators of an impending launch, as companies usually complete this process shortly before unveiling a new product. Garmin has maintained a steady release cycle for its Forerunner lineup, with the Forerunner 265 and 965 launching in early 2023, following the Forerunner 255 and 955 in 2022. Given this pattern, and the fact that Garmin recently refreshed other watch lines like the Approach, Descent, Enduro, Phoenix, and Instinct series, many believe it's time for a new Forerunner model. The FCC filing, registered under the identifier IPH 04968, was submitted in December 2024. While the listing doesn't provide detailed specs, it does suggest the device is expected to launch before summer 2025, aligning with Garmin's past March release windows for Forerunner models. Speculation is growing that this could be the Forerunner 975, an upgrade to the Forerunner 965. If so, we could see improved performance tracking, extended battery life, and new training metrics designed for serious runners and endurance athletes. One curious detail in the filing has raised eyebrows. Garmin Pay does not appear to be listed as a supported feature. This is surprising, as Garmin Pay has been a standard inclusion in premium Forerunner models. Whether this omission is a placeholder or an intentional change remains unclear, but it has sparked discussions among enthusiasts. If Garmin follows its usual schedule, an official Forerunner 975 reveal could happen as early as March 2025. Until then, we can only speculate on the new features and upgrades the watch might bring. What do you think? Will the Forerunner 975 introduce groundbreaking new features, or will it be an incremental update? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest Garmin news, reviews, and updates.